Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Sugar Daddy. Full story. There was a young lady that worked at Sandal's front desk. Let's call her Letitia. Letitia was a light-skinned pretty girl with long rasta locks and good shape. One day at work, she met an old white man who instantly fell for her. He asked her for her number and they started talking. At the end of his vacation, he went back to the US but still kept in touch with her. Anything she needed, he would provide. She complained about work and he told her to quit and he'll take up the full responsibility of taking care of her. Letitia had a small board house and the man turned it into 6 rooms with bathroom, kitchen, and veranda. The man paid all her bills and made sure food was always in her house. She was short of nothing. She met a Jamaican man and started to take care of the man with the old white man's money. She bought a car and gave the guy to run taxi with it. When the old man visited, he would pick him up from the airport and they paid him. The man asked her if she wanted a car, but she said no. As time progressed, she started giving the man attitude and stopped giving him the attention she always gave him. One day, the man came and she told him she's seeing her menses. This would be his 6th visit that she claimed to be on her menses. That made the man very upset. One of his friends invited him to go out to have a drink to calm him down. The man was there drinking, and he said to his friend that his thing can't stand up, so all he needed was some TLC, and he's coming there 6 times now, and she keeps complaining about her menses. The man was paranoid and suspicious about her feelings changing, and expressed how it angered him. He told his friend that if it's the last breath left in his frail body, he's going to frig her up. The next day the man left Jamaica. He sent her a letter, and from that day, she was no more. She started to get sick, and no doctor could find what was wrong. The doctors ran all sorts of tests, and still they found nothing. Her friends decided to bring her to an Obeah man, and he told her that it was too much for him to do. He told her that he cannot fix her because the person who sent the blow is no longer alive. The Obeah man said, "All I can tell you, miss, is to go home and pray." When she died, a dark spirit left her body. The man she bought the car for didn't even visit her once in her sickness, and every time she needed a ride to go to the doctor, he cussed her saying he had to work. To this day, at nights you would hear people in the house fighting and making strange sounds. Her brother moved into the house, and the duppydom would dose him with lick. The house is still there haunted. Sometimes people say they see her sitting on the veranda, watching the kids play in the yard.
Like and follow for more.